A throw or a free kick? Papa Daniel pleading his innocence. Well, he really waited for the contact then, didn't he? That is on the soft side, I think you'd have to say. Pushing and shoving in the box, and Ayew to deliver. Barbonsu, back to Ayew. Debutant to a centurion in terms of caps. Halimi blocks the first cross. Only done by Mensah. Got away with his slip. Ashimeru releasing. Mahmoud here. Just a fourth cap for him tonight. Big switch coming the other way to the substitute, Annan. Got it back here. He's gone in at left back with Mensah going from left back to centre back, and now Abdul Sameh trying to feed it through. That wasn't his intended destination, but it still nearly worked. And breathe. Another free kick. Captain on captain. Ayew fell by Ndidi. They keep giving them set pieces. You feel like Ghana will make one of them count eventually. Jordan Ayew certainly getting the practice in. Ayew, far post delivery, really good. And he'll go again from the corner quadrant here as he tries to whip up the Ghanaian fans behind that goal. Good defensive header, that. Halimi back there with it. Anything less solid than that contact could have been an own goal at that end. Same targets for Jordan Ayew here. That's worth a hit. Or maybe not. Ashimeru scuffed it with the underside of his boot. Mensah last man back. Oh dear. Completely overhit that. Well, they're enjoying it. Ball hacked out of play. They're enjoying it rather less. Both teams will be playing again here on Saturday. At the moment, it's going to be Nigeria taking on Jamaica for the Unity Cup. Sadiq Ismaila to Semi Ajayi. Dessert in the middle, that's way beyond him. The curious thing is, Benjamin Asari has had a very gentle game, apart from one problem of his own making. But the ball's gone past him twice. Easy catches otherwise. Oh dear, once again, almost their worst enemy. Clash of Ambrosius and Asare there. But there was a late challenge. Stuart Atwell is having a word with Wilfred and Ndidi. He's saying, I really don't want to be sending players off here. Chukwueze down, having earned that free kick. Here's why. It was effectively a back pass. In fairness, it was fairly won, if you know what I mean. I'm not sure what that was between centre-back and goalkeeper, but a right old mess. Indicative of the game in the best possible way. It's been fairly chaotic and a lot of fun. Not really a game for defences though. Razak Simpson, forward, lovely layoff. Really good that from Opoku. And here is Opoku again. Well defended by Ajayi, bringing some calming presence back.
And every gentleman here, whether you are standing for yourself, your siblings, or your children, in the name of Jesus, the grace for your hand to be strengthened so that you can move to another season of your life, I decree and declare, let that grace rest on you. Who has come by the blood of the eternal covenant, be released now.
Yes, starting from the background. I'm not doing my thing. For now, I was a coach within the year. All of us to bet my free. When I be, if you are just betting me about.
Is to get to the top. And this is where we need to prove that we are going. So Nigeria will take it serious. Ghana, we are preparing for the World Cup. Sure. Even though some of the boys are not going to take it for granted. The coach is also preparing and trying to get his final squad for the World Cup. So this is a game where, one, maybe Nigeria will be looking for results, But the coach for Ghana will also be looking for which players will fit into the quality.
I see. Yeah. Okay. Well, the quality, yes, is important. Maybe the point I will not agree with Reggae is the fact that we are not looking for the result. Okay, Nigeria. We are very, 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 very strong in that regard. I mean, anything Ghana, Nigeria, yes, the name is a friendly international, but Charlie, when they get onto the field of play, anyway, let's take a look at some of the new faces that will also make it into the team. And Coach Reggae, help me out there. We've got some of the under 20 players who are joining their squad. Aaron SL, we saw marked improvement in the competition played last by the national junior team. We've got Aziz Issa, who's made the headlines. Caleb Irenchi, Joseph Anan, and of course Mohammed Fusaini. You have already established the point that, look, this is an opportunity where we can build a team, identify new talent, put in the right frame of mind these players that, look, you have played at the junior level, you can make it at the senior level. You think we are pushing them too far? You think it's too early enough?
It's not too early.
Okay.
Because from the look of things, you can see that the African teams, we are behind. When you say we are behind, look at someone like Nico Williams, Lami Yamal. All these guys fit in with them the same when it comes
same
to
level,
the same
age.
And they have been given the exposure. Once they can deliver, they must be given the chance. The most important is the chance. The most important thing is the chance. When they are given the chance and they deliver, then they break in. Dede was given a chance in 2008. Kodwa Samoa was given the chance. And then Jordan also followed. Efri Yakwa. All those guys were at the youth side, and they broke into the first team. So
we are looking for a lot of positive growth and development in the senior national team. Let me say a very big thank you to Jaga for Jaga Betis.
Nigeria 2, Ghana 0. Nigeria 2, Ghana 0. Hey! Listen, Nigeria 4. But we are making Ghana be a machine. Nigeria, Asha Kabiro Ghana, 2017. 80 Adia and Kasa, and Jamaica 4 found in there. Bema, now on say Ghana did trophy da. Adia Ghana be a very trophy party, not like, and the home cup final. I could work them. And to be more, yan to all tomorrow to Pon Aircraft, and the East Coast. Now, why you can take them out, Piamoro, and Chapasso, Chapatia, Nefel Johnny, and Cardoso. But Piamoro, Bono Elbow Copaso, that's why Manchester one day, on the end of Covers of Pia, Bono, Sena Aircraft. I have a system to pay my continue. Bono be 50 for more. Bono Chef and Pablo Ayafona. Now what Cabo Chapasso, when I'm a Chef Isco, Isco El Cabono, Bono Cabantia, Yafon Ayatati, what about Koy Yusuf El Sapali, Yusuf Sapali, what Piamon Chapasso, now still Ponica, Ayatima Pereira, Piamoro, I could match Petra, what any Cabos are match Petra, what Piantama and Juan, I put it Pantiman, Yafan Revetita, what Piamon Chapasso, Ricardo Rodriguez, what any Cabono, what Chabola Sevete, Trepagay, Bono Etimin, Bonica, Revetita, Revetis for the Mufa, Bonica Ricardo, Rodriguez, Ricardo, Wabekina, Ricardo Rodriguez, your boat 30 minutes at 30, and of Mekaba Common Cemetery, Pony Wonaso, now Potipa, Philip Potensi, what be a Timon Kiki, what be a Timon City, as with the baby, a Revetis 70 trophy. The baby, a senior second of Kayan Sodmoso, Ponuka Kaisero, whatever Pedjashe, or Pia Wachapato Mat Tukwara, the junior football problem by Mariso Muyan, and Marisa, woman Yan Trimino, and then Secretary Tosso, what Pia won't touch them so, for a 24 for Pia, one sinner, if Rastamaro Ferababa, Rastama Baniasem, Rastaman is a Kolamai, woman about 40 Yasem, now Polka, Marco Kuera, Kukola Pia, for a 40 people, say chance to want to move fast, chance a Pia Paboro, say chance you chance yet to be taken off, but Pia wants a puzzle, Polka Pontache, whatever Tete, Polcom Lulu Madweke, Aquasa, Lulu Madweke, Betato, yes, or Betato, one party of Betato, one party of Betato, video party, whatever Abatia, yes, Marco Quera, Mavajache, but your Chevy, what you call Alcovete, or Muga, Alcobuco for the free. Muga Mulipa was a pound. What's up, Papa Babon, stay 30. Decimatic so now came and what day? Your water 80 is a 30 pressure upon pressure, 30 mountain pressure. When Pierre wants a puzzle, Chelsea there from Bonica Copama, Kwana Epoco, or Mama Canada, 30 Brady, Chelsea Brady, and now the Kippo, now Banjake, when Pierre wants a puzzle, Copama Pia, what's a Gusto, one and the Caboro, now betting for that, betting for. Yeah, what will people touching paper. Now, born Ilka. I'll call one yard. Yes, now, Enzo Frances Wantinianco, Enzo Frances Wantinianco, follow Alco Japan Pablo Fona. Hey, I can't say that one thing. We don't come to take Jesse Jesse, my top Jesse, my top. Hey, na Buya, watch out for I ain't even going to go. Hey, that's the quality that's the liberty people 70 FM. A bunch I am Mr. Watching for the pool Katiwa. And now I get to come in Canada, South Island Sports of India. Yes, sir, I get a lot MP. What you get them in one studio of Liberty for 70 FM. Yes, was sent from our Tono Infra, Rebecca Esowa, now Bola Chianco, Polka Better friend Tony Cardoso, from Pema Chapaso, now set up Polka, and yet Tony the Rebecca Pema Scottios, Matifa. Referee foul. Apprentice friend Neto, Wakodi Bonnie, Neto Akodi Bonnie, and your secretary came and one day. Now, hey, Kaiseru that you were passing with him. As I saw that would see, hey, now Kaiseru could see the Omami Woody. Who could see and two Mamma say a wa. What the idea was when him, as I saw that would see Ghana and the Fume come in here. Ghana. And the former community against Nigeria. Ghana Blasters against Nigeria. And the Anya Sakitoka our landing. And the Ghana Yakasapadia. That is a Manchester corner. Now we're going to Manchester for you make one thing. I am Manchester. And then Chelsea is playing away. Because so many Asians. Not sound off. Yet what was the for 41 minutes of pay. And they Chelsea to be said Rebecca is a take about for a freaky. One a freak was about to say. Yeah, a war, and so what? On my brother for Ponica, a bunch of White Timianco. Nanka Bonnie, Papa Chelsea. Then so Bono. A branch of firm Pablo Fona. A branch of performance Quankai. Yan to all tomorrow say. Follow Elka Pama. One of Kabansa Pama. And what the Papa Sopia. What about Feno? Neto. One any Kabari Papa So. Neto on possession. Neto moving forward. Now, Opia wants a puzzle. What upon our Patia Feno. I am Molly Costo. What about Patia Feno? I am a Marco Quera. What's up here to Matwiki? Matwiki the Cabano. What about the Tete Fernandez? Enzo Frantes. White Timian come out, Goalkeeper Antoine. One of what Pierre. I bet you won't say it. What's the master? Tell me what can I be? After our pajama. Goalkeeper Antoine. What can't you have Enzo Frantes? What's the one of my Chinawi? Who would you make so big this to me? Well, what's a cow pyramid? And cow pie me tea. I saw a cat of some sorry. And if you can't walk on all. And yes, I get to make another game and watch the test of make about quiet activity. And 42 minutes of play. Ball possession. Test about 66. And the Rebels is about 34. That is that almost was the testing to make that goal. Yet 12 tomorrow to Bono, Elkra, Ayatima. Yes, Rebels is go on the move by Yesha Foro, but Pierre Ejima Panta, Yes, Anthony, Anthony Mauko Samaukai, Makukura Saturi, Metunamika Mamine, what's the Maukai, Wapia, Toro Akoti, Tarpenta Yefero, Yusuf Safari, Wapia was a puzzle, that's the Bonatimaco, Toluka Chesi, Pajache, Kaiseto, Watamupa, Wapia was a puzzle, Bonapodi, Apachepo, Wapiaboro, Watama, Jesse Nepero,
Nanama and Mr. Steven. Sure. We say for her and I edit you made in AC. KOT.
Good challenge, he just stood firm. It's got through. Chance, shot at goal! Last-ditch defending, but that'll do. Played into the middle. Cross deflected over the goal line for a corner. Knocks it away. Tries to get it forward quickly. That's gone a long way up and away. It will be. Forward it goes. Away from immediate danger. It was a move that looked promising, but eventually thwarted without doing any harm. Odoy sends it forward. And that's been levered clear. Looks to bypass the midfield. Cleared without complication. It will be. A searching ball out wide. And it's got through. More than happy to take the muscular approach. And that has been clubbed away. There's a long ball. And that'll go straight through to the keeper. Gets into a dangerous position. Looks a foul. Yep, referee's given it. It's hoisted clear. With a delicate ball. Defending of the desperate variety. Lovely bit of skill there. How about a shot? Plays it out to the flank. Played out to the right. It's on a plate. Tries to get it forward quickly. He's got away. Gets it into the middle.
They didn't manage to get nearly enough into the box, and that speaks of little ambition.
In again. And he just whacks it away. Out towards the flank. Back in once more. There's always going to be the keepers. Well, that's where he wants it. Well played, he saw that coming. He's made sure that that won't get through. Gets it back.
Ayew.
Iwobi, and it's played forward, cuts it out, hoists it forward, forward it goes, tries to get it forward quickly. And it's played forward to the keeper and go again. Looking to hit the front line. Oh, well intercepted, really alert to the danger. Chance! It's a goal! A two. He acknowledges that he should have come up with something better there.
Yeah, the idea was right, the delivery wasn't. They can revisit that further on.
He's pulled him up for that. Odoy can get it clear. And it's Iwobi. Nicely controlled. Good take by the keeper, he's read that well.
Ayew.
Ball's loose, who's getting there? And here's Ayew. Has a goal! Good stop, that wasn't easy.
Well, as Tesco featured, the keeper has just received an A+ grade.
He acknowledges that he should have come up with something better there.
Yeah, the idea was right, the delivery wasn't. They can revisit that further on.
Iwobi. Out to the right. Doesn't get the pass he's looking for. And it's been taken straight back. Well, that's where he wants it. And it's been intercepted, and that will come to nothing. Iwobi. Now, where's he looking? And it's Iwobi. Hoists it forward. Oh, good interception. Ball's out on the left now. Forward it goes. Ayu. Otoy plays it forward. Tries to get it forward quickly. Iwobi. He's got options out wide. Ball's come loose and the chase is on. And the counter is on. Ayu. Deftly done. That's a corner kick. Ayu gets it away. Got a sight of goal here. Oh, that's a fine challenge. And it's played forward. Gets into a dangerous position. Iwobi. Battles to win it back. Pinged forward. Just brushed off the ball there. To get it forward quickly. He's through, now is he in? Regardless of the outcome, it is good to see someone running at the defence like that. Good challenge, he just stood firm. And it's Iwobi. Iwobi. Looking to break out here. Ayew. And it's played forward. A reprieve, albeit perhaps momentary. Forward it goes. Hoists it forward. Done very well to intervene. Odoy. Oh, nice touch. Ayew. Played out to the right. Looks to thread it through. Oh, sweet feet. Odoy crosses it in. Towering header! And a second time! A collective sigh of relief from the defence.
Well, one sloppy lapse like that can do a lot of damage, and it was triggered by the closing down.
Good spell of possession this, but very little to show for it. Forward it goes. Ayew. And it's played forward. And back to base. And it's Ayew. Tries to get it forward quickly. Iwobi. Hoists it forward. Forward it goes. And the weighted pass. And it's hoisted clear. They've got it back as soon as they gave it away. You can get that clear. Odoy has a hit! And he's there to make a great save.
Well, you can't ask for much more than that. A difficult moment he simply had to deal with.
To get it forward quickly. No, that's not the ball he wanted. Played in with accuracy. Questions were asked, but he's given the answers. And it's played forward. Iwobi. It out wide, and he's there to clear it. And it's Iwobi. He'll have a go. Keeper's not concerned by that.
Well, the defence are in a good position to get behind the ball and let them just try from range.
Forward it goes. And they're not going to make any further progress now. Tries to get it forward quickly. Promising move that. Good inroads into enemy territory, but no joy. Gets it back. Now the counter. The ball needed to be better there. It's a wasted chance. Played into the middle. And that has been cleared. Plays it out to the flank. They've seen lots of the ball. Time to go for it a bit of creativity and adventure. It will be. And it's played forward. And here's Ayew. Great strength, too strong for his opponent. He is not one readily to admit defeat. Don't be surprised if he tries that again. Lookman. Nigeria getting a lot of touches here, but they're not making much progress. That's been drilled forward. Iwobi. Cleared without complication. Iwobi. Ayew with a good steal, well played. A real chance if he can get through. Otoy. But that is good defending. It's been repelled. Lovely feet. He's certainly caught him there. It's a free kick. Well, the ref's been lenient here. I doubt he'll get too many more chances.
It was a sterling effort, and at least he kept it on target. It was worth a go.
Hoists it forward, cuts it out. Ayew spreads it towards the left. And here's Ayew. It's found it as a pop! Iwobi tries to get it forward quickly. Defending of the desperate variety. Finds himself eased off the ball. Bit of an appeal, but nothing doing. Forward it goes. Lookman dumps it into the area. Oh, he's overhit it. Forward pass. Ayew goes looking. And he's there to clear it. And it's played forward. Iwobi. Gorgeous control there. Whipped in. And through to the goalkeeper. Hoists it forward. And it's Ayew. He's made sure that that won't get through. Tries to get it forward quickly. Forward it goes. Iwobi. And that's sprayed out wide. That intervention was very necessary. Lookman plays it out to the wing. They've won a corner. And that's been levered clear. Good running with the ball. Can they build on it? Iwobi. Oh, well intercepted, really alert to the danger. Iwobi. Battles to win it back. Good defending, albeit from an unexpected source.
Well, they say that your front lads should be that first line of stopping the opposition, and I think he's taken it to another level with his desire to get back and help everyone out.
Iwobi. Whistle's gone, that's foul. Well, that looks like a final warning, still no card. chance and a real let-off. And it's played forward. Done very well to intervene. Lookman. It's been intercepted, and that will come to nothing. Tries to get it forward quickly. Knocks it away. Questions were asked, but he's given the answers. Out to the right. He's got options in the box if he gets his head up. Oh, that's neat. Great leap! Oh, just needed a better contact.
I have to commend the wing play, but I have to condemn the defending. They've got to stop the cross.
He will be. Tries to locate someone up front. Keeper's got good distance on that. Defending of the desperate variety. Out towards the flank. And it's hoisted clear. Pressure stays on, it is a corner. Away from immediate danger. He's had a go! That's offside. Yes, it is. Being played forward. Hoists it forward. Forward it goes. Hoists it forward. Lookman. Ball is over the line. Just brushed off the ball there. Oh, they could break here. It's got through to him. Ayew. Oh, shooting chance! And more! Stop. That wasn't easy.
Well, as test goalkeeper, the keeper has just received an A+ grade.
Well, he acknowledges that he should have come up with something better there.
Yeah, the idea was right. The delivery wasn't. They can revisit that further on. As to who has the momentum here now, the only doubt is how many is coming.
Can't get the better of his opposite number. Dashing forward at pace. Otoy plays it forward. And he's there to clear it. Great strength, too strong for his opponent. Tries to get it forward quickly. It's a long ball, but it's not hit its target. Nigeria are 3-0 behind, but 3/4 of the game still to rescue it. Good challenge, he just stood firm. Otoy. And it's played forward. Played into space out wide. And he's onside. Drives it towards the front. And that's been levered clear. Played back in. Delivers across. Knocks it away. And it's played forward.
That's just very well played. He can't hurt you with his back to goal, and he didn't go for the back heel.
Play for a throw. It's Iwobi. Both sides a bit lacking in intent. Tries to get it forward quickly. Ayew gets it back. Ayew very firm in standing his ground there. It is a tough, full contact contest. And that's a throw-in. Tries to stroke it through. Out to the left it goes. Aimed in towards the centre. Cleared away. And the defence can get it clear. Battles to win it back. Well, that's where he wants it.
That's just very well played. He can't hurt you with his back to goal, and he didn't go for the back heel.
Up towards the front line. Just ruffled a few feathers, but well dealt with. Hoists it forward. Keeps everyone guessing. Good challenge, he just stood firm. Well, that's one way of trying to make things happen. There's a few who could follow that example. Ayew tries lifting it over. And that's a goal kick. Forward it goes. Knocks it away. Nigeria have it back and they can go again. Defenders on the back foot. Getting on for a third of the way through the game. Oh, good interception. Has he found his man? Well played, he saw that coming. Hoists it forward. All the way back and they start again. Keeper sends it forward. Tries to get it forward quickly. Good clearance and very necessary. Forward it goes. Has gone out. Lookman. Iwobi. Up to meet it! Final touch was poor. And it's played forward. A buccaneering run from the defender. Deflected behind for a corner kick. Shapes to shoot! It's off target and by quite a way.
Look, it was achievable, Peter, but it needed his best.
Nigeria do retain the ball, but are seemingly in no rush to break forward. Iwobi goes looking. Defending of the desperate variety. Chip through. And that has been clubbed away. It into the mix, tries his luck! Oh, that is rather wayward. And it's played forward. Hoists it forward. Iwobi. Forward it goes. To get it forward quickly. Odoy plays it forward. Sides a bit too casual in possession. It has got through to him. And he's pulled him up for that challenge. Going into the little black book. And the players are making their point, but the ref clearly isn't interested. And he's pulled him up for Joy can get it clear. And it's Iwobi. Nicely controlled. Take by the keeper, he's read that well. Ayu. Ball's loose. Ayu. Gets wrestled off the ball. Iwobi. Forward it goes. Ayu gets his foot in there. Hit long and direct. It's got through. Ayu. And he's there to clear it.
ASANTE with the cut.
Just needed better contact.
Do I really need to tell you, Peter, that he has to do better, especially from there?
Look. Great run this, he's covered quite a distance. Referee's had a good look and given a corner.
Well, this may be it.
And out to safety. And it's Iwobi.
And the longer they take to take it.
Brings it forward. Played out to the right. Just brushed off the ball there. Lookman. Otoy. And it's played forward. Yeah, that's top defending and preventing him turning, which can...
Be another one beyond that. That's a nice touch. Barbonsu here. That's a foul. No, Stuart Atwell says goal kick. And that change will be made now. Barbonsu is going to be replaced by Mohamed Husseini. But look at this free kick here. A free chance to put the ball in the box for Ghana. And that. And then Desir in the way. Well, Otto Addo, I should think, fuming at the free.
Iwobi. hoists it forward. It's an untidy challenge, free kick given. What an adventurous run from a defender. Looks to bypass the midfield. Well positioned to...
Seen it out cleanly, but maybe they can see it out now. That is going to be a free kick. And they can kill some minutes and kill the game here. That might be it, I'm afraid, for Ghana. Now, Salih Al-Samid has already been booked, and I tell you what, if this wasn't the 94th minute, in what is technically a friendly, I am certain Stuart Atwell would have had the second yellow card out for that. Nigerian fans getting ready to celebrate. More than just your average friendly victory, this, I think. They are making great noise again. Can they hold out? And how much additional time on top of additional time are we going to get here? That's a lovely pass. And that's worth a hit. Maybe he got a little bit too excited. Mohamed Husseini, he snatched at it early, the debutant. Imagine that for an introduction, as the final whistle goes. Cracking game of football. And Nigeria, who won the very first Unity Cup in 2002, down the road at Loftus Road, will have a chance to lift it again here at the G-Tech on Saturday when they take on Jamaica for the trophy. Wonderful game of football with so many chances at both ends. It was fast and it was frantic and it was thoroughly entertaining, and a huge crowd here at Brentford have thoroughly enjoyed it. But the Nigerian fans are the ones that are celebrating. We've seen experienced players, we've seen a lot of debutants, and we've seen a victory for the Super Eagles, who were 2 goals up through an own goal and a nicely taken opener by Desir. Brandon Thomas Asante halved the deficit with his first goal for Ghana. But it is the Super Eagles who have the wider smiles at full time here. After Desir with the opener, it was Razak Simpson with the own goal. In the first half, that was scarcely believable, the pace it was played at. Cracking entertainment. Individual excellence, a fair few mistakes, and a lot of noise. Eric Shell, the new coach, has got 2 wins and a draw so far since taking over Nigeria, and he will have a chance to win the Unity Cup because Nigeria have beaten Ghana here by 2 goals.
Iwobi. He's fouled him there. And no surprise, that's it.
Of the Ghanaians, or would we want to say that, hey, this player didn't do this and this player didn't do that? But at the end of 90 minutes, they've sold a good game to the numerous fans who have gathered at the GT Stadium. So it's all ended in favor of the Nigerians. And
no surprise, that's a booking.
Sometimes a loose foul can trigger a completely different spell of play, and it makes even less sense.
Quick glance at goal. Managed to get it away.
And then the Nigerians and the Jamaicans will also have to sort a few things out. The Jamaicans will come with their reggae music, The Nigerians will go with Eba. Has been very, very positive in the game. Stanley Nwabali, he plays for Chippa United. What a game he's had. But this game has also unearthed a few quality players on the Ghanaian side. And my two guests will take a look at the quality that we've seen from some of them. But of course, the local import that made the trip also lived up to expectation. Razak Simpson. Not a very good first half for him. Kwame Opoku also played his part, his role. Some of us felt that Kwame Opoku could have stayed on for a bit longer. And I like the way the Nigerians have written Niger in front of their shirt. Clearly, that is their signal. And so it's all done and dusted. The fans will hail them as the lords over the Ghanaians. I didn't want to say this, but I'm tempted to say that it doesn't really mean that Nigeria Jollof is better than Ghanaian Jollof. I mean, nobody will take that away from me. But on the field of play, the scoreboard says it all. It's been 90 minutes plus add-on time, and it's ended in favor of the Nigerians. We will come back into the studio and have a little bit of a chat to find out exactly where we think we could have sharpened the edges. But it's been a good exercise, Coach Reggae, for Otoado. We all agree that the first half wasn't the best. He made a few changes. We also noticed some quality in the players, some of the players who made their debut for the Black Stars today. And I think it's been an eye-opener and a very good opportunity for the head coach.
100%. 100%. It's really clear. It shows that Ghana has a lot of potential. It's a lot. We can't even describe them, because you can tell that the second half was really for Ghana. But the little mistake that I will also suggest that Jordan should have been taken out earlier
in the game,
so that they will leave it for the young boys.
You think he ran out of steam?
He has been a seasonal player.
Because obviously he's also not on the younger side.
That's right. And he's aging as well. He has been a seasonal player throughout Leicester, all the matches he has been in form.
Sure.
So this is a game where after 45 minutes, he has to just excuse himself so that the young boys too also can come and showcase something. Because it was clearly that the second half should have been going for Ghana, but it's unfortunate. That's football.
What about the quality we saw on the field of play? A few of the players.
That's right. Somebody like Ban, the number 22 Jesse.
The number 22 Ban did very well. Brandon Thomas Asante,
the one who scored,
who got the goal.
And then I think one of the Rasta,
also,
the Rasta boy
showed class. There was Caleb. Caleb also did very well. He showed a lot of pace, a lot of promise. And again, he's on the younger side. So it gives him a lot more opportunities.
And these are the boys that we need to assemble for friendly games. And then keep this Pate, Kudus and all those guys as our main standby Black Star team. So that they will be doing the transition. They will be just coming gradually into the main team. Like as we did in 2009, when the Day squad won the World Cup in the under-20.
Exactly.
They were,
they gradually shifted
Rabiu, Didiayu, and all those people into the main national team. So this is what we need. But it's a good game. It's a lesson for us.
I think it's been a good game.
Yeah.
But for the head coach of the Nigerian team, Coach Richard, I'm not too sure. Help me with this. Was it a plan, in your humble opinion, was it a plan to keep more experienced players on the bench and then he brought them in later in the game? We saw Iheanacho come.
Trying to beef up the team. You can see from the center backs, the midfield to the attack. It's all about experience. Yes, he went for more of the experience, and you can see he tried to make it cool because he has gotten his 2-goal margin.
Yeah.
And he tried to make it ease with the boys. They shouldn't be in a hurry to play. Just take it easy, slow pace. And it's an eye-opener to him because immediately he made the substitution. You can see the rhythm of the Eagles, Super Eagles, the rhythm went off. The rhythm went off. And immediately the rhythm went off. That is where the Otuado, the Black Star coach, capitalized on it. So,
all right, Coach, I'll let you hold your horses there. We're going back to Brentford. We understand that Brandon Asante is talking to the media. Let's go quickly over and listen to what he has to say.
Overall, and personally for you, you got your first goal for Ghana. How did that feel?
Yeah, of course it was. On the whole, it was a bit frustrating. You know how this is the biggest game for us. You know, we always we know we can win against this team. So frustrating on that note. But I'm also happy to make my start in scoring goals for Ghana, which I intend to do for a long time.
And nothing. It's a great game, but nothing friendly about it. How was it in front of all these passionate fans?
Oh, it's amazing. It just shows what football's about, what the culture is about. And even though half of the fans are for you, half are against you, the whole atmosphere is amazing, and we want to see more days like this. Hopefully everyone's safe, everyone's happy, and we enjoyed it.
You've got Trinidad and Tobago in the third place playoff on Saturday. How do you feel going into that game?
Yeah, I mean, to be fair, on a personal note, I'm a little bit frustrated because I'm Jamaican as well, so I would have liked to do that one, but now in terms of playing against Trinidad, we go out there, same attitude as always, try and win the game, and put things right, which is what we want to do.
Perfect. Thank you very much, Thomas. Thank you.
All right, so sharing his thoughts with us there, Brandon Thomas Asante. He plays for Coventry City and, of course, making his...
It's Isco.